Hi everyone, it's Laura Christine and welcome to Kitchen Garden Expert. Now that we're done with all of our chores to get everything ready for winter, there's one more thing that I like to do, and that's reseed the lawn. Yes, it's crazy, it's in November, we're almost to December, but let me show you what I do and why. I've had great success with reseeding my lawn right around Thanksgiving, right around Christmas. It just depends on when I can get out here. I just throw down seed and the snow actually waters it, and then when we get warm weather in the springtime, I get sprouts, and by the time the weather is warm, my seed is already matured into, grass plants, and it looks fantastic. So let me show you what I do. It's pretty simple. I'm picking this area today because it's under a tree and I've had a little difficulty, and I used to have a whole bunch of stuff over here that was just we used to have a wood pile and just a bunch of junk, so I have cleaned that out. All of this grass through here I'm going to reseed. Okay, I've got this patch right here, and I basically take my little, whatever this thing's called, and I don't even pick up the leaves anymore. I am using two different types of seed. This is just it's a mix. It's a shade mix because this is under a huge tree. And then this is some leftover. If you guys have ever heard of Gardens Alive, I will put the link in the description. This is one of their grass seed, which is great, drought tolerant, and it fills in real good. I don't even use a spreader. I'm just using my hands. Putting it on thick. Hey everyone, this is Laura. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification button, and share this information with others. And that's it.